Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your account has been disabled if you want to log in your Facebook account but with this type of error. So how to fix? First of all, go back here home screen and open any browser like Google and Chrome, and from here you search for this Facebook login issue. Click on Facebook login issue, and from here you click on report a login issue. From here connect your email address. Yes, can see description of the issue. From here explain your problem. Hello Facebook team, my Facebook account is disabled due to some error. My Facebook account is not opening. Please recover my Facebook account, thanks. And after that scroll down, then click on choose your file and select your screenshot and click on done, and after that click on next and click on submit. After submit, Facebook team connect your email or phone number, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.